Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to look at two topics. First one is how to know the file structure in the GitHub. That is one thing, and other thing is an update regarding the astrology research. I mean to say, now I have able to retrieve around 16,000 people birth details for the purpose of astrology, but their now description about those 16,000 people was not updated earlier. So as I said earlier, now I have updated the notes of approximately 11,000 people in the data bank. So anyone wants to use this data for research, it will be very good because 11,000 people birth data with description of their life, with short description of their life is available now. We'll go through those things. I'll explain, and if someone wants to get uh, details like birth details of people like that, I mean if you got some personal data or some other data for which you want to get details by going through internet about those people, and you can do that, and I'm going to explain that in this video. So let's start our video. See, before we are about to start, I just request you all to like, share and subscribe, and if someone wants to contact me, please click message me button here. It will lead you to a form, Google form, in which you need to fill some basic details about you, so that I'll get to know who you are, and you can message me what you want to convey. Okay, you can do that at any time. So please do like, share and subscribe. See, I've been working a lot in research regarding this astrology software development, and I'm also working on national economies channel regarding the budget of Finland. I'm working on that as I'm analyzing budget of approximately 10 years data. There are changes in the headings. This expense has been, one expense might be placed in one head in 1 year, and the same expense has been moved to some other head in the other year. So because of those changes, I am trying to make it homogeneous, or at least easy to analyze way. So I am working on that. So as and when it is complete, I'm going to make video on that. Okay, now let's jump into the topic today. So how do we get the uh, structure of GitHub file? I mean, there are many repositories in the GitHub, but the files inside in it might be too much or too many. But how can we understand the file structure? If we want to search a particular file, it might be hidden somewhere inside some folder. We don't know the path and all. So how to get it? So for that purpose, I have designed a Python program which is available in my GitHub. Anyone can download it. I'll explain how to use it. Okay. So now let's get into the practical example. So I'm just opening a command prompt. Uh, this is the best way. So now we are in the directory in which that GitHub file is. Okay, now I'm typing Python github.py, and yeah, I got everything. So this is the command. Okay, so now if I click enter, see, this is the file structure in the GitHub of that particular account. Okay, I mean that particular repository. See, it contains all these files and all. So this is the basic folder in which these are all files, and assets is a folder. In that assets folder, these are all these files appearing here. Okay, so for example, in the earlier I am in a different path, because of which I am not able to run the Python file. In such case, we'll go some other way. Okay. Okay. So here, this command prompt is in a different folder. Okay. So this is in different folder other than where I have saved the Python file. So now we need to give the path also. So we just copy uh, Python, this one slash git. Okay, now we need to give the this one repository name. Okay, copy. So now I'm just coming here, I just paste it here. So likewise, if you are not using the this command prompt in the folder in which it has been saved, then you need to give the path here. Otherwise, if you are running this command prompt in in the folder which you have saved this one, you can simply type this one and type this one, so you will get it. So not only that, see in this program there are approximately 60 requests you can make through the GitHub without any token, and you can't make more than 60 requests in more than 1 minute. I mean, only 60 requests per minute. So what are the requests remaining? It will appear here. So 57 times you can do this before 58 minutes 37 seconds. So after elapsing this 58 minutes 37 seconds, again 60 requests you can do it. This is without having a token key. If you have token key, then you will have 5000 requests. You just need to get it token key. I already have the token. So just opening my token. Okay. Okay, this is my token. I have copied this one. So now I am using this with my token. Okay, so I have copied token at the end. So now let's see how it's going to generate. Okay, see here I have 5000 requests per minute. Okay, after 1 minute I will have again 5000 more. Okay, likewise, if you have the GitHub key, you can generate more number of requests. There will be some other privileges because of this GitHub key. Okay, we can use that one also. Okay, so I have uploaded this this GitHub tree file in my repository. Anyone can download it. See, if you don't know how to use it, there is something called help in this program. Okay, you can use that one anyway. So for example, if you want to use that one, you just need to type here help instead of the GitHub folder you want to get to know. Instead of that, you just need to type help. So now this help will show you this one. These are the following are examples of usage of this file. Okay, so these are all examples. With this example also you can use it. Okay, so likewise you can use it. So that's it about this GitHub tree file. I'm providing the link in my website. You can go to GitHub repository and you can download it. Okay, so next one is about the files I have used for extracting uh, 15,000 plus people details, I mean about their life. I mean to say, see, if you go to this this astrology file which I have created earlier, this astrology basic Excel file created for getting the basic astrology details. This was already in my repository. Anyone want it, they can download it. Okay, in this repository you just come here and click refresh. Okay, then all the notes about each of the individual will appear here. I have updated approximately for 11,000 people. I have collected information of their life and I have updated here accordingly. So if you come here and if you select some person for whom I have updated the life event details, it will automatically appear here. Okay, so here their life events are appearing. It depends on the person you use, person you select and all. So likewise, life details are appearing here, and if you just click update, so for the purpose of research, you can check this horoscope, you can check the notes here, and you can compare, analyze, and come some conclusion, so that you will have some idea. This will be very much useful for the purpose of research. So whoever people want to use this Excel file, you just download this file and just right click here, click refresh. You will get all the details of the notes in this column. This column contains notes of each of the individual. Approximately for 11,000 people, I have updated the life event details. And those details, whoever you select here, it will appear here. And if you just click update, horoscope and all will get created. If you want to contact me, just click message me here. It will open to the form and you can directly contact me. Okay. So beside that, see, if someone wants to collect the detail of some other person, some like me, I mean, I have collected by using some web scraping, Wikipedia and all. Uh, Accordingly, if someone wants to collect information likewise, what I have done, you just need to download this folder. Okay, you need to download this folder. It contains two files. This is the Python file which you need to run to get the details of people, I mean their life summary. If you want to get life summary, you need to run this file, and you also need to have this birth details.csv file in the same file in which you have saved this detailed life events.py file, I mean Python file. So you need to keep these two files in the same folder while running it, so that output file will appear in the same folder. So another CSV file will get created with the details of the person for whom you want to get details by going through internet, Wikipedia and all. Okay, so mostly I got this details by running this program. Okay, so in the birth details file, you need to maintain the same format. See, I'll just open this file. It is in the same format in which I have created this basics, this astrology calculation basics basic file. So format was same for the data column, and the same is in this form. So if you want to get details of any persons, you need to fill this birth details in the same format in which the CSV file is containing. You need to remove the birth details existing, and you need to keep the birth details of the persons for whom, I mean for whose details you were looking for. Those details appear, I mean fill it in this Excel file without changing the format, and then run it, and you will get those details in some way. I mean, if their data is available in the sources I have included in this Python file, you will definitely get it. And this Python file will check for various internet sources and will get it. Okay, mostly it goes through Wikipedia information and it will get it. So accordingly, anyone wants to get if anyone has some birth details of some famous people, and if you want to get their life information summary, you can get it by using these files. Okay, in the way I have explained. See, for 16,000 plus people, I have run this program, and it took approximately 3.5 hours. And how fast this program will run depending on how many people's birth data you want to get it, and what was the internet speed of your system. Of course, configuration of the system, but I think normal computers will be able to run this program. It's not a big deal. You just need to have at least 20 mbps speed is enough to run this program. And how much time it takes depends on how much people data you are pulling through this program. See, for this program I have used approximately 16,000 people data, 16,000 people birth details. I have took it and ran the program to get their life summary. Okay, so that's all. That's the main points I want to cover in this video. Besides that, I want to inform you that I am working on astrology research I already told you earlier. Accordingly, I am going to make some web astrology application so that anyone can use it for free. I'm just showing you basic idea, to the extent what I have worked for. This is the basic idea how I am planning out. I have designed partly, I'm working on. So later on, when I host it online, people just need to enter here details and just click submit. You will get the details of, horoscope or basic birth details or analysis for analysis for Ashtak Varga or dasha system or anything. I mean divisional charts, everything. So this is how I'm working on, as I am only the person working on this and I only need to create all this software design and all. It is taking time, but I am going to tell you, if you keep following it, you're going to get very very valuable resources for free, and it's going to be very genuine. Okay, it's I because I am also explaining how I am getting all these details and all. So if you follow me, you can also make your own things on your way. I'm also contributing a lot, to ensure that astrology research will go better. That's what I feel, and it should be reachable to everyone. That's what important, because if it is reachable to many people, then it will be easy to do research. That's what I feel. Okay, so please like, share and subscribe. I'm going to give you much more content and useful resources. Anybody want it, just get it downloaded from the GitHub resources. You just now, if you want to know more about me, you just go to this website, you will get to know more about me. Now if you want to contact me, just click message. Okay, thanks for your time. Bye.